Let's understand candles. So the basics of reading candlesticks. In this picture, on the right side, you see the anatomy of a candle. So what does a candle consist of? Well, a candle consists of body and wicks. The lines sticking out from this vertical rectangle are the wicks, and the vertical rectangle is the body. Now, what we're looking at here, the green candle is a bullish candle. Why is it a bullish candle? Is it because it's green? No. Green color most often represents bullish moves in the market. But what makes this one bullish is because it opened and then it closed above the opening price. So if a candle closes above the opening price, then it's a bullish candle. If it closes below the opening price, then it's a bearish candle, a selling candle. What does the wicks represent? The wick is the lowest and the highest the market has moved during the candle's lifetime. So if this candle opened here, moved down, and then moved up, and then retraced a little bit and closed here, then you see this is the range of movement that the candle has made during its lifetime. So same thing goes for the bearish candle. It opened, it moved up a little bit, pushed down, retraced, and closed below the opening price, and therefore it is a bearish candle, most often marked in red color. Now I'm talking about lifetime of candles. So what is the lifetime of a candle? It depends on what time frame you're in. If we're in a 1 minute time frame, then every minute a new candle is printed. All right. So during that minute, you'll see this lifetime. You see the candle ranging and closing above or below the opening price and creating wicks like this. If it's a 5 minute time frame, then every candle represents 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes, a new candle is printed. If it's 1 hour time frame, then every hour a new candle is printed. Daily time frame, every day a new candle is printed. So it depends on the time frame. Now, talking about candles, you can read candles in many different ways, and there are many different shapes and patterns and so on for candles. As you see here, for example, here's just an example of a couple of them. We will dive deeper into that, but I recommend also that you go through the trading handbook that you have been given when joining this platform, and there you will see the most important candle patterns, candle shapes, and what you need to know around it. Study it thoroughly, and you will have a very good understanding of how it's supposed to be. So right now we're looking at the real market here, and as you see, there's a bunch of candles here. Some are taller than other ones. The orange ones represent the bullish candles, and the white one represent the bearish candles. So the orange ones are bullish, and it means that they opened lower than they closed. They closed above their opening point. All right. Next candle, what happens? This one closes, next one opens here, moves up, creates this wick, comes back down and closes here. Now, we're going to talk about a very important factor when looking at candles. And what is that? That is the time frame. So what we're looking at right now is a 50-minute time frame. So every candle that you see here represents 15 minutes. So when I'm saying it opens and closes, so if we are on a 50-minute time frame, that means that when this candle opened down here, during the 15 minute, it created this wick that you see and came up, created this wick, came down and closed right here when 15 minutes had passed. Then next candle opened, moved up, create this wick, came down, closed here when 15 minutes has passed. This candle created these two massive wicks, open, close. And then we have this bearish candle that you see, the white candle that you see here. Came up a little bit, moved down a little bit, came back up and closed below its opening point. That is the mark of a bearish candle. So this is candles on a 50-minute time frame.